In this video, we'll show you how to install the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on your WHMCS store. First, let's go to the WHMCS Marketplace. Go to Browse, Order Management. Click on the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app. Then, download it by clicking Get It Now. Unzip the downloaded package. Open the Includes Hooks folder from the downloaded package. Copy the FraudLabs pro.php. Go to your WHMCS root directory and paste it into the Includes Hooks folder. Go back to your downloaded package. Open the Modules Fraud folder. Copy the entire FraudLabs Pro folder. Go back to your WHMCS folder. Navigate to the Modules Fraud folder and paste the folder here. Go to the WHMCS admin area. Click the Settings icon and choose System Settings. Go to API and Security, Fraud Protection. Find the FraudLabs_Pro module and click Activate. Check the box to enable FraudLabs Pro Fraud Detection. Kindly enter your FraudLabs Pro API license key here. If you don't have one, you can register for a free API key using this link. Let's go to your FraudLabs Pro Merchant dashboard. Copy your API key. Go back to the WHMCS page and paste it here. You can leave the Simulate Visitor IP blank. If you want to enable the FraudLabs Pro status notification using Zapier, you can enable it here. If you want to enable SMS verification, click on the SMS verification checkbox and configure the settings here. You can also configure the SMS verification page settings here. Once done, click on Save Changes. Now, you know how to install the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on WHMCS. Start protecting your store today with FraudLabs Pro.